cake. Ooh, cookies, pie, cobbler. So many recipes, so many cookbooks, so little time.
So this recipe, this next poultry chicken recipe, we got to get some water on boiling because we're going to make garlic chicken, and it calls for pasta, and I'm not using the pasta it calls for, just a FYI. Oops, always follow directions. I was only supposed to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in this skillet. No, I went ahead and put the whole half a cup. So I'm going to go ahead and melt it before we add our chicken and our garlic. Now we add about 2 pounds of chicken, give or take. Got this on clearance, so I cut it up, and we're going to brown this. So we are going to cook this chicken until it's golden. And of course, we're going to go ahead and add our garlic, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and I'm going to sprinkle it over the chicken and try to get it in the butter, and hopefully we won't. It's minced garlic. I cheated. And I cheated on that. So we're going to get this chicken and try not to burn the garlic, but we got to get this chicken brown. So you want to make sure that your chicken is done, not just golden brown. So I kind of added too much butter, but it'll be alright. It will. It'll be alright. So my water is boiling to put the pasta in, so I'm going to get that done.